Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Bharat, and today I'll do the unboxing of the cheapest product on AliExpress and compare it with the Indian market. So stay tuned. The product which I've chosen today is the tank pad. You might have already seen on the thumbnail, and the interesting part is this, that the product is just 0.20. I got it for like 14.25 rupees when converted to Indian. I don't know how cheap is that, but definitely it's very good. As you can see here, I am showing that there is this product somewhere at 16 rupees now, but I'm sure that this product will definitely come on sale so that you can get it for like 14 or sometimes even 10 to 8 rupees. And I'm not just joking, this product can be suitable for all kind of motorcycles, starting from tourer to sports tourer. You can easily apply it on the tank pad. I'm also unboxing this product in this video, so keep watching till the end. So you can see here the product is 180 mm and 83 mm in this width, and also you can see I've already ordered it in my order. This is the first item which I ordered on AliExpress. Even I was having some trust issues before ordering it, but somehow I made it, and here it is. I got the order, and you can see over here, I'll show you. Let me see, view details. Yeah, this is the order details. You can see over here the status is that the order is delivered, and you can see the shipment details over here, and you can see my detail. This is the person who ordered it, and yep, you can see I've ordered only one piece with the value 0.20. If converted, wait, let me just convert it for you. You can see here, like, I'll just type 0. Okay, sorry, yes, that's right, 20. Yeah, you can see over here it's just 14.24 to 4 paise. That's really too damn cheap. While you can see over here in Amazon, the products are like the it might be like better quality, but still, who pays something like more than 10 times, or even sometimes you can see over here it's 376, 349 and 299, and the same product you can see over here which is 293. If you see the product link, you can see that the extra 50 rupees will be added for the delivery. Okay, now the delivery has been made free, but when I saw earlier it was like around plus 50 for the delivery. We can't say that Indian economy cannot grow if we buy the product from China, because however the sellers of this product in Amazon are buying the same products from China and selling it at a margin of 10 to 20 times more than the price which they bought. So I'm just making sure you guys don't fall for the trap and just go buy it directly from the seller. Ordering it is very cheap, very sorry, not cheap, easy, because all you need is a debit card, and recently the debit card with the chips have the international like permission, so you can easily make payment internationally. So AliExpress is also an international website. You can easily pay AliExpress with the same debit card. You don't need a credit card. Also, the when you order, you'll get a fulfillment with AliExpress which say that if the product is not delivered for you, the amount will be easily refunded. So even that is very good deal. I'm not saying that all the products on AliExpress is cheaper. You need to go on the website, search for the things you need, and compare it with the website you have, and you can choose between those websites. Here is the package itself. You can see there is a China Post symbol on the top, and my name here, shipped to Bharatvi, which is me, and here is the stamp of India Post. There is also the description of content which says fuel tank sticker, and the net gross weight is 0.03 kg, which means 3 grams, and value is $1. The package seems good, there is no rough usage, so I hope the content is also good. And yes, I'm just cutting it with my blade here, and you can see the product. Yeah, here it is. You can see, we can, at the first impression we can say the product is very good, and also I've used it in my bike and the product is really good. You can see here, I'm just opening it from the package, and here it is. There is something written on the top. Okay, there is a manufacturer warranty of 1 year, I don't know for what. And there is this thing, pro grip, written on this tank pad. It seems good. The build quality is really good. The packing is also good. So that's it for the video, guys. There is this small damage, but doesn't affect any sticker or any part of this. So that's it about the video, guys. So yes, keep watching my videos and like, share and subscribe. More videos to come in the future, and thank you.